So you think that you're ready to take your data engineering interview? Well, let me tell you what I have in store for you today. Today, in Gambill's Gauntlet, number 2, we are going to go through 3 more interview questions that I am going to challenge you to provide your answers in the comments down below, where I will provide my expert advice and feedback, score your answers, and then show you during the live stream on Friday night who tops the leaderboard. Now, for today's 3 questions. I've got 3 real-life interview questions today that are going to challenge your interview skills, that are going to challenge your SQL skills, and your ability to provide efficient, maintainable queries. So, are you ready? Let's jump in. Here's your first interview question scenario. You are working with an online store and you notice that all of a sudden the queries that are running your dashboards for your store are running incredibly slow. This is what your current query looks like. This query is slow because of scanning millions and millions of records. How would you optimize it? Drop your solution down in the comments, and remember, performance is everything in this one. Here's one quick hint. Consider indexing, query restructuring, or maybe some filtering insights. Next up, we have data modeling. Your company's database has a single orders table, and it is a mess. Now, here's what you're working with. This is the create table for the schema of that table. Now, what are the major design flaws in this table, and how would you normalize it to improve performance, flexibility, and consistency? Give me your best database design in the comments. Let me know how you would model out this data differently than what you see here. Some hints on this one: look for redundancy, normalization rules, and scalability issues. Final challenge. Your database is ingesting millions of records of real-time sales transactions, but the business team just changed the format on you. Before it was CSV, now it is a JSON payload that looks like this. How would you design an ETL process to efficiently extract, transform, and load this data into a relational database? Bonus points for those of you that can tell me how you would do it differently in Snowflake as opposed to an Azure SQL Server or PostgreSQL database. All right, let's see what you've got. Drop your answers in the comments below, and I will personally score your responses. The leaderboard will be updated every Friday night and shared with you at 10 p.m. during our live stream. So be sure to make it to our live stream each week to see if your answers are the ones showcased. Now, the best answer gets a shout out. The leaderboard is going to be shown with the top 5 participants. And if you want more real-world challenges, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and you are here each Monday at noon to see what this week's Gambill Gauntlet has in store for you.